Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called You Go First by Mercer Mayer. Today I helped Dad put up a new swing in our backyard. I really wanted to be the first to try it, but little sister got to go first and said, "That's not fair." Mom made smiley face pancakes for breakfast and I helped. I wanted to have the first pancake, but Mom told me to give it to my baby sister because he's the littlest. I never got to be first. I wanted to be first on the school bus, but I didn't mean to bump into Gabby. It was just an accident, but I did get to go first. At snacks, I thought Tiger might beat me to it, but I got the milk first. Hooray! At recess, I was the first on the trampoline, even though Gator might have been there one teensy second before me. When it was time for show and tell, I jumped up instead of raising my hand. "Me first, please, Miss Kitty," I said. I was so excited, I kind of dropped my show and tell. It took a while to get the ants to go back to their farm. It was no more time for anyone else to do their show and tell. Oops. Miss Kitty made a special announcement. When school was over, she said there was going to be a class picnic with games and races and everything. I hope I'd come in first and win the prize, I said. Little Critter was having fun. Little Critter, having fun isn't just about being first, said Miss Kitty. It's about enjoying your time with friends and family and appreciating them as you like them to appreciate you. Oh yeah, here's another one. Treat others the way you want to be treated. God tells us in the Bible that we should treat others the way... See, that's the exact same thing I said. Treat others the way we want to be treated. Sometimes that means letting them go first. That shows you care, and caring is the secret to getting us along. After school, we went to Tiger's house, but to scooter up these new ramps that Dad built. I called first, I said, but Gator said Tiger should go first because it was his house. "You know what, Little Critter," said Gabby, "you were more fun when you didn't always have to be first." When it was my turn, you know what happened? I wiped out. I wouldn't have wiped out if I went first. At the picnic, Gator was my partner in the three-legged race. "I have to come in first," I said. "Remember, this race is about working together," said Miss Kitty. "On your marks, get set, go!" I hopped way faster than Gator. I knew it. We both fell down. Gator said it was because we weren't working together. I said it was because he wasn't hopping fast enough. Next was the egg and spoon relay. I got to go first. Hooray! But I ran so fast the egg kind of fell off the spoon, so the other team won. When it was time to eat, "Who wants the first hot dog?" asked Miss Kitty. Me, I said. "All you care is about being first," said Gator. "You're not being a good friend." Gator was wrong. I was so a good friend. I just like to go first. For the scavenger hunt, we had to find a stick, a rock, and an acorn. Sticks and rocks were easy to find, but nobody can find an acorn. While everyone else talked with their teams, I spotted a bunch of trees that I bet had acorns. So I ran so fast to get there. It was dark in the woods and very quiet. Suddenly, I heard something. It was a snake. I was so scared I couldn't move. I really wish someone else could go first. I was all by myself because I'd run away from everyone so I could be first. Gator was right. I wasn't a good friend at all. The snake hissed. Ah! I ran as fast as I could. When I got back to the picnic, I was so happy to see my friends. I didn't care if I ever wanted to be first again. I thought about what Miss Kitty said about how we should treat others. I wanted to show my friends I cared by treating them the way I would want to be treated. Gator won the scavenger hunt, and I cheered really loud. So when it was time to get on the bus, I said, "You go first," so Gabby went first. At school, even though I was first at the slide, I said to Timothy, "You go first." He gave me a big smile. And when we lined up to go in from recess, I said to Gator, "You go first." Even though I was the line leader, Gator smiled. "You go first," I said to Henrietta at the water fountain. At home, the little sister and I both wanted to go on the swing. I said, "You go first," and I even pushed her off the swing. Every time I say to someone, "You go first," you know what happens? They smile, and that makes me feel really good. It's the way I show my friends and family I care about them. It's just like the Bible says, and that truly is the secret to getting along. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!